Hello, this is Fabian Diaz Santiago, and I'm just gonna do a brief demonstration of my self-esteem program. So basically, I'm just gonna run my program, and it's gonna be displaying like in an interactive menu. So basically, it's like a three main options. First, I'm gonna take self-esteem. So basically, it's gonna ask me for my name, and it's gonna be like prompting me a bunch of questions. I think there are like 10 questions. So it asks me for enter like my on a scale of 1 to 10. I need to enter a number. I'm just gonna do like a random. I'm just gonna type random numbers, but you can see that it's working correctly and it's displaying different questions. So yeah, at the end it's asking me if I want to save my results in a text file. I'm just gonna do yes, and it's gonna prompt me for the name of the text file. I'm just gonna do a test. Just gonna do this, and it's gonna create here another a text file, and you can see it has written all the information in a text file. Similarly, if I select another option, I'm just gonna do I want to run like this one more time, and I want to do the second option, which is a read text file. It's gonna prompt me for the name. If I do a wrong name, it's gonna say that an error has occurred. I'm just gonna do test, and it's gonna be displaying. I just wanna do the third one, which is the displaying a fact. So basically, it's gonna be displaying a question to ponder, and it's gonna be a different question. But yeah, this is my program. Basically, what I learned throughout this time writing this code was the different classes, the importance of connecting all the classes. I used a bunch of if statements. I used loops. Here I just created a different classes, so I can have a better organization. I also learned how to write and read information from a text file. And here it's something interesting that I also learned about the random, how to use the random library, so I can display a different prompts from a list. In this case, it's a list of strings. But yeah, this code basically it's a great way to help people who is struggling with a self-esteem. Of course, this is not this is not intended to be a professional help, but it's it's intended to motivate people so they can seek for professional help. But yeah, this is my program. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time.